What is an S-Corp and in what circumstances do businesses benefit from being an S-Corp? An S-Corporation, S-Corporate, is a type of business entity that offers some advantages over other forms of incorporation. In this blog post, we will explain what an S-Corp is, how it differs from a C-Corporation, C-Corp, and what are the benefits and drawbacks of choosing this option for your business. What is an S-Corp? An S-Corp is a corporation that elects to be taxed under Subchapter S of the Internal Revenue Code. The profits and losses are passed through to the shareholders, who report them on their personal income tax returns. An S-Corp avoids double taxation, which occurs when a C-Corp pays corporate tax on its profits, and then shareholders pay individual tax on the dividends they receive. How does an S-Corp differ from a C-Corp? A C-Corp is the default type of corporation that is formed when you incorporate your business. A C-Corp is a separate legal entity from its owners and has its own rights and obligations. A C-Corp can have an unlimited number of shareholders, who can be individuals or other entities. A C-Corp can also issue different classes of stock with different voting and dividend rights. An S-Corp, on the other hand, has some restrictions on its ownership and structure. An S-Corp can have no more than 100 shareholders, who must be U.S. citizens or residents. An S-Corp can only issue one class of stock with equal rights for all shareholders. An S-Corp must also follow certain rules regarding its accounting methods, fiscal year, and distributions. What are the benefits of being an S-Corp? One of the main benefits of being an S-Corp is the tax savings. As mentioned earlier, an S-Corp does not pay corporate income tax on its profits. This means that the shareholders only pay tax once on their share of the income, at their individual tax rates. This can result in lower taxes than if the business was a C-Corp or a sole proprietorship or partnership. Another benefit of being an S-Corp is the limited liability protection. Like a C-Corp, an S-Corp is a separate legal entity from its owners. This means that the shareholders are not personally liable for the debts and obligations of the corporation, unless they have personally guaranteed them or engaged in fraud or negligence. This can protect the personal assets of the shareholders from creditors and lawsuits. When do businesses benefit from being an S-Corp? Businesses may benefit from being an S-Corp if they meet the following criteria. They want to avoid double taxation on their profits. They have a relatively small number of shareholders who are U.S. citizens or residents. They do not need to raise capital from foreign investors or issue different classes of stock. They are willing to comply with the rules and regulations governing S-Corp. If you are considering forming an S-Corp for your business, you should consult with us at Business Hub to evaluate your options and requirements. Contact us today at info@businesshub.com to get the ball rolling.